Good morning, everyone. This is Justine from Passion Style Purpose, living life not by default but by design. I am doing this video to show you, I'm actually felt an itch to paint my front entranceway. Our house has currently been under construction, so I've been taking our Feng Shui principles, intentionality, as well as just putting affirmations on the walls before I paint them. And because the front door is where all the energy comes in, it's called the mouth of Qi in Feng Shui. And so we want to make sure that all who enter the home and all who come in are at just have super good energy and good intentions, because when we let people into our home, their energy also imprints on our house. So here's just an affirmation of protection, of positivity, of what I would like to cultivate and who I would like to cultivate while walking through this home. And so here's just a little tidbit, and also making sure that you have an awesome welcome mat, so when you're welcoming your guests into the house, they feel welcomed, as well as making sure that you do not have clutter. Well, see, that's something that we need to fix, of course. And like just making sure that this whole area is clutter free and doesn't disturb the energy coming into the home. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.